This is the new iPad mini with the A17 Pro Chip. We'll be chit-chatting and unboxing it together in this uninterrupted video. And I'm doing this type of video because I want to see my reaction unboxing this iPad later on, because this is going to be my first iPad ever that I'm going to actually keep. And I'm going to be telling you why I chose the iPad mini over all the other iPads. But without further ado, let's get unboxing. I got the maxed out iPad mini A17 Pro Wi-Fi plus cellular in space gray. So beautiful, so small. Some ASMR. Dissipation. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so small. Oh my god. Let's put the iPad on the side. Do we have Apple stickers, or they also removed them from here? I think we don't. Yeah, no more Apple stickers. Oh god, they give a power adapter. They made us get happy when we get a power adapter, which is wow. And a braided USB-C, which is much needed. Both of them are actually much needed. Now, the iPad time. Oh my god, it's so small. It's so light. Oh yes, this is everything I wanted. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Oh my god, it looks amazing. I'm so happy. Now let's put all this on this side and let's get the Apple Pencil unboxed. The iPad mini now works with the Apple Pencil Pro. Funny enough, on the back of the box, it doesn't say iPad mini A17 Pro Chip. It only says the iPad Pro M4 and the iPad Air M2. I think they need to update that very soon. I got this engraved to show you how strictly I am committed to this iPad mini. Let's get into it. Hopefully they engraved it right. Ooh. I've never got anything engraved by Apple ever in my life. Oh my god. Feels so good. And it has my name on it. Let's put it on the side of the iPad over here. Amazing. The last thing we're gonna be doing is unboxing the iPad mini Smart Folio. We have the thing on top of the box. It smells good. And also, funny enough, because this iPad mini is the exact same iPad mini from the outside, like the last generation, they did put 4 new colors and they mentioned that this is for the new iPad mini, but on the back of the box, it says that it's compatible with the iPad mini A17 Pro and the iPad mini 6th generation. They don't call it a generation anymore, they call it with the chip. I think they're doing like what they're doing with the Mac. Also, the iPad Pro, they have now iPad Pro M4 and iPad Air M2. But anyways, long story short, you can use this on your old iPad, the 6th gen, and you can use the old iPad cases, the Smart Folios, on the newer iPad. Oh my god. Oh boy, this is the cutest thing ever. Okay. Let's boot it up and let me tell you why I chose the iPad mini over all the other iPads. A moment of, oh my god, the snapping on the back, the feeling. Excuse me, I'm just excited for an iPad. It's been my childhood dream to own an iPad. So I chose the iPad mini over all the other iPads because it is the size that I want. Yes, size does matter to me. Hello. For me, the iPad mini is the perfect size, because I don't want the iPad Pro, I don't want the iPad Air, they're too big. If I want a big screen, I have my Mac, and if I wanted something smaller than the iPad mini, I have my iPhone. So it didn't have a place for me in my life. I've been wanting an iPad mini for so long, I just wanted it to be upgraded, so they did. And for the sole reason of, I want to take notes at work, because at work, believe it or not, I hold a paper that is the size of this iPad almost, with a pen all the time to take notes. Having this with me, oh my god, I'm loving this snap. Having this with me, syncing with all the other Apple devices, syncing with the internet, having unlimited pages, of course, and not using paper anymore and not using ink. Today, my pen, my actual pen at work, finished its ink. So it's a great time to have it. It's a great size. And of course, it's not just about note taking. I want to also use it for video calls. I don't want to use my phone or my laptop when I'm calling my family, for example. I'm calling my friends. I want a separate device on the side that keeps it going without interrupting me. I also am getting way more into books, and this size to read books. I know it's like a Kindle. A lot of people are using it instead of a Kindle. This is amazing. Also, if you want to take it on an airplane, you can just throw it in your bag and it's gonna fit in that very small airplane seat. I want something that I can really throw in my bag, rely on, and has cellular in case my phone dies, or if I want to detox from my phone and just use the iPad for a bit, which I'm going to be doing a video about, by the way. Okay, everything is set up. Let's test the iPad real quick with a few things. First of all, the bezels are big, that's for sure. But I do understand, because I want to hold it somewhere, because I don't want to keep getting accidental touches. It happens a lot on my iPhone because the bezel is so small and I'm holding it like this. But I wish it was slightly, ever so slightly thinner. Let's put some music. We have speakers on each side, which is amazing. Amazing. And by the way, I didn't get the black folio because it gets a lot of smudges and scuffs and it shows. This one, it doesn't, as far as I can see. And of course, it's better than the white because the white one gets super dirty, super fast. Man, I can't wait to get my hands on it in action and tell you all about it also very soon. Of course, I'll be doing a lot more episodes about the iPad mini very soon, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you.